Hi everyone, so in this lecture we will discuss last example which is related to this first shifting theorem. So we have already discussed 11 examples in previous lectures. Now in this lecture we will find the value of this Laplace transformation of cos 80 into sin hyperbolic 80 is equal to question mark. Okay, to find the value of something like this, so the main question is this function is of which type, that is कुठला formula यामध्ये satisfy करू शकतोय. For that purpose we will use one formula, that is for sin hyperbolic 80. So that formula is sin hyperbolic 80, we can write it as like this, that is e raised to 80 minus e raised to minus 80 divided by 2. Now we will do one thing, that is just to put this sin hyperbolic 80, that is value of the sin hyperbolic 80 in this equation. Then this question will be Laplace of this cos 80 into this sin hyperbolic 80 now will replace by this term, that is e raised to 80 minus e raised to minus 80 divided by this 2. Okay, and complete this curly bracket as it is. Now here 1 by 2 is a constant, therefore take it as it is, that is 1 by 2 of this Laplace of this cos 80 into this e raised to 80 minus e raised to minus 80. Okay, nextly do one thing, that is 1 by 2, take it as it is, just multiply this, that is e raised to 80 into cos hyperbolic 80, that is Laplace of this e raised to 80 into cos a into this t. This is our first function, and negative sign, that is take it as it is, then apply Laplace on this term into this term, that is a Laplace on e raised to minus 80 into this cos a t. So observe one thing here, this Laplace transformation and this Laplace transformation, that is e raised to something into f of t, similarly e raised to something into f of t. So this is nothing but a फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग थेरमचा यूज करून आपण ह्या जे काही फॉर्म्युले आहेत त्याचे व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड करू शकतो वन बाय वन. सो within 2 steps we can find the solution of this 2 Laplace transformation very easily. So step 1 will be apply Laplace on this term, similarly apply Laplace on this term. So step 1 is same in both the Laplace transformation, therefore consider our step number 1. So step number 1 is, that is apply Laplace on the second term, that is cos of a into t, and we already have the formula, standard formula for this function, that is cos of something is cos s divided by s square plus a square, and we denote this above equation as equation number 1, and this function is only in variable s, therefore we denote this as a phi of s, and we denote this total equation as equation number 2. Okay, so we have obtained this step number 1. To find the value of step number 2, we will consider this function as it is, that is Laplace of this cos 80 into sin hyperbolic 80. But आपण हे जे काही इक्वेशन आहे ते थोडंसं सॉल्व करून शेवटी इक्वेशन त्याचं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन इक्वेशन नंबर 1 मध्ये ऑब्टेन केले. देअरफॉर वी कॅन राईट दिस इक्वेशन इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस, दॅट इज दॅट बाय इक्वेशन नंबर 1 वी कॅन राईट दिस फंक्शन ॲज 1 by 2 इंटू Laplace of this e raised to 80 into cos 80 minus Laplace of this e raised to minus 80 into cos 80. Okay, so this is nothing but equation number 1. Okay, so with the help of first shifting theorem, this first function will converted into that is Laplace is converted into phi, t is a variable is converted into s. Here we have a positive sign, therefore write it's a negative value sign, that is a negative, that is a subtraction, and coefficient of t is equal to how much, a. Similarly take this minus as it is, so minus sign. Now similarly this is also of the type first shifting theorem, therefore convert Laplace into phi, variable t into s. Here we have a negative sign, therefore write it's a opposite sign, that is a plus, and coefficient of t is equal to how much, a, therefore write it a as it is and complete this curly bracket. So we denote this as the equation number 3. Now with the help of this equation number 2, here we have a s is equal to how much, phi of s is equal to s divided by s square plus a square. Now with the help of this equation number 2, we can write this equation as, that is 1 by 2, take it as it is. Here we have a s minus a, so put s minus a in place of s, then we will have this value, that is s minus a divided by s minus a its square plus a square. Okay, so we have obtained the value of this first function. Similarly take minus sign as it is. Similarly to find the value of this function, just write s by s plus a, then we will have the value, that is s plus a divided by s plus a its square plus a square, and complete this bracket as it is. So this is the value of given Laplace transformation.